Let's learn some colors. Red color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark blue color, brown color.